Okay, guys, now let's take a look at our Euro USD for this week, starting with our daily time frame. Now, as you can see that on this our daily time frame, we are actually starting to have a bullish move, by the way, an uptrend move. If you can see it, this is an higher highs, a retracement. This is another higher highs which broke this highs here, and this is another highs again that broke this our previous highs, as you can see it. So this is very obvious that we are still on an uptrend move. And if you are to see on our USD index again, which is our USD, we will see that our USD index is still on a bearish move, which is still dropping. So I would very much likely to see the USD index drop to this range, which means if our USD index is dropping, our Euro USD would actually be going up. So until our USD index tap this our key level here, then we would very much likely continue to go bullish. See it tap this our level here, then we might see a reversal move upward, then that is when our euro can start dropping. But if not, then we'll continue to see a bullish move on our euro and while a bearish move on our USD index. So as you can see, you can compare the two. As our USD index is dropping, we are very much likely going to be seeing a bullish move on our Euro USD. And again, don't forget, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. So now that is exactly what we are saying. So I would want to see our USD Euro at least come here to hit this our highs here, which is around 1.05873. I will very much likely to see our Euro USD tap to that our level, which is about 1.05873. When it's tapped to that level, then we might see a continuous bullish move upward or a reversal move downward. So very much likely we will be seeing a continuous bullish move on our Euro USD, while our USD index will continue to drop to this our support level, then a continuous maybe a reversal move. And as you can see on our daily time frame, you can see that this is also a key level here. This level has once served as a resistance level. So you can see it, once our price tapped to this level, it's dropped. It came here, hit this level and dropped, came here, hit this level and dropped. And when we saw a breakout, we saw it came to this level, tested this level, and it pushes up. So very much likely we would see our USD index drop to this level again. So which means our USD index would be falling, bearish move. Then our euro to our USD would still be going bullish for this week. So that is the analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share.